I'm from Ghana. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Cool National Park. You know that? Oh, cool. That's so brilliant of you. Wow, cool. So you are locals of Shenzhen? Oh. I go around the world, but I stay in China. I stay in Shenzhen. Man, it's pretty good. Like, I like it here. The infrastructure is so modern. I like it. Yeah, and it's very safe, you know? Yeah, very, very safe. Yeah, that's right. Even 1 a.m., 3 a.m., I've been outside. I know you're a kid, you don't go outside that time, but I've been outside around 1 a.m., 3 a.m., and it's pretty good, you know? Yeah, it's pretty safe. How do you feel about that Misha new subway? How do you feel about it?
Shenzhen Metro has had to narrow even further into the Dapeng region.
Dapeng, yeah?
Yes,
Okay.
Metro, so it's
Oh, cool, cool. Man, you're so brilliant. How old are you?
Well, we're in grade 6.
Grade 6? Is he your brother?
No, we're classmates.
Classmates? Oh, friends. Oh, cool, 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 cool. That's nice. Wow.